Hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating a Bootstrap template using Bootstrap for CSS framework. Let's create all our necessary files and folder so that we can group our codes together. In this particular project I will create one index HTML file, our CSS folder and our JavaScript folder. Okay, next step is let's go to Bootstrap website and download our starter template so that we have a boilerplate to work with. To make our workflow a lot more easier, I want to install a little extension for Visual Studio Code which will live reload our page whenever we save our page, so that you really don't have to go to browser and hit refresh every time you save your thing. Okay, I highly recommend that you add this extension so that you will save a lot of time refreshing the browser. Okay, I will show you how to do that. To run live server, open up your index file, right click on the window and click on open with live server and you are ready to go. It is that simple. Once you have installed this extension, I think you have to restart your Visual Studio Code, but that's it. It will be really easy for you. Now using it is very easy. Just change anything on HTML file and click and just save it, and you will see the result on the browser. Next step is I want to use some Google font in my project, so I will go to Google Fonts website and choose few fonts. I will be choosing couple of fonts. The first one is Lato font and the second one is Railway font. Okay, let's go and add these fonts. Okay, let's create our CSS file and add the link tag I have copied from Google font earlier and paste it in our index.html file so that it will be loaded and we can use that font on our CSS part. Okay, next thing to do is that we will target our body to use one font and our header tags to use another font. So for body I want to use Railway font, and for our header tags, that is H1 to H6, I want to use Lato font. So let's set it up. Next let us include our style sheet to our index page so that our custom styles is loaded into our main file. Okay, next thing to do is we want to create a navigation bar, so head on to Bootstrap documentation site and search for navbar. Go to the navbar section and in there you will find various templates to use. You can copy any of those suitable templates and you can just paste it in your site and you will be almost ready to go. It's that easy. For now I think I will choose some template here. I will choose this one and use it. let's change our site name. Next thing I want to do is put our menu item inside container class. This is Bootstrap class. This container class, what it does is push your content and leave some space on right and left side. Next, let's change our menu color. Since we are building a site with a theme of agriculture and greenery, I want to choose a green theme. So in Bootstrap, success generally denotes a green theme, so I'm gonna use that class in most cases, or class with the word success in it. Next, I wanna push my menu item into right side, so let's add some margin auto to our unordered list. I will remove active class from our list item. Now I will add some more item to our menu, so that our page looks a bit better. Our menu will be a bit better. Okay, it's all about copy pasting the already existing code, so just follow along and it won't be that difficult. Okay, since we are using or creating a single page template, we'll use hashed link to navigate between our sections, and let me set that up. If you are confused about this id based link, don't worry, I will come back to this in coming videos. So for now I just wanna set it up and make sure that our sref attribute has proper IDs, so that we can jump between sections of our site. And in the same time, in body tag I want to add home ID, so that whenever users click our home link, they will go to our body section or top part of the page. Okay guys, I think our menu section is ready, and this is it for this video. I will see you in next one, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.